Morning, Blind Stiver. Or should I say my new name? Goat. G-O-A-T. God over all things. Goat. That's what I'm going to go by from now on. G-O-A-T. God over all things. Goat. Matthew 28, verse 19. Read it. All right. But here, we're talking about this gun again today. This is my 93F. Savage 93F, which means polymer. Polymer stock, that is. I am using and gave a second try to this Vortex optic. That's a 10 by 60 by 60. And it's not a bad scope. I got to retract what I said about it. Being all that black and darkness. When I tried out them two Vortex scopes, Vector scopes, I must have been having a bad day. But what's wrong with this scope, and there is a problem with it, is I don't have it set right. For one thing, I have my mounts too high. I'm having to use a shirt here to raise my eye level up high enough where I can see out of it to get it straight through. So that's my biggest problem right there. I got to get me some smaller mounts. These are tall, I think, or high. I think I can go with a medium or medium high, whatever they call it. And I think that'll work for me. But I'm gonna swap it off of this gun. This is the 93F Magnum. This is the 22 Magnum. And I just wanted to try it out. And that's because I didn't like the scope that was on this Magnum. So I put this on here just to see. I'm gonna have to try and put me a different scope on this one. But I'm gonna put this on one of my regular 22s. But I've tried out T&T Green 22 Magnum, Varmint Express polymer tip 22 Magnum, CCI Maxi-Mag 1875. Them three there did not shoot that well. Oh, they shot real great at 25 yards. You know, zeroing them in. I zeroed in with the Maxi-Mag, and I had all in the same hole. But when I shot 50 yards, they spread out way too wide, probably a good inch and a half, maybe a little bit bigger. Then I tried next one I tried really was Varmint Poly Tip by CCI. Fantastic, good grouping. And I know why. It seems like the higher the velocity or the FPS, the faster it's going, you're more to stack it on top of each other. This is a 2200 right here, FPS, and they stacked them right on top of each other. This one right here is a 1875. It stacked them on top of each other. This was a good shooting right here. Now this one did spread more, the Varmint did spread more than the Game Point. Game Point, man, I was hitting sometimes putting the bullet right in the same hole. Now, these are 1875, and this one here, I can't remember. This one here is 2200, same as those two. Those two are same as those two. They're done real good. And this one's a 2050. So, something about the bullet, I guess, but these two done the very best. This is Game Point small game, 40 grain, 1875, and this is the polymer tip 30 grain, 2200, and that was a 30 grain over here now. This was a 30 grain. It didn't do as good. It spread out, and this right here, I think it's a 40 grain. Lord, some people printed, oh yeah, it's a 40 grain. That's a hollow point. This one right here is a jacketed soft point. That's the polymer tip. Maybe the hollow point makes a difference because that's a hollow point too. But this was a 30 grain, and it was a polymer tip that didn't do as well. It done better than those two. It did do better than those two. But This was what ones the sun come up on. These are the rise and shine ones right here. Ford 93F 22 Magnum WMR. It's not a precision rifle. It's more of a plinking gun, rabbit gun, squirrel gun, something like that. But it can be good. If I had to do anything to this gun, because I like to keep my gun stock, but if I did anything to this gun to make it better, I think I would change the stock on it. Give it a little more weight. Because these 22 WMRs with these lightweight stocks on here, they do jump. And that's going to throw you off. I don't care what they say, it's going to throw you off. People say, oh no, the bullet will exit the barrel before it recoils. No, don't even try that. It's going to throw you off. It's either going to throw your eyesight off, your aim off, something's going on. So you're going to need more weight on it. Now, there's no railing on here that I can put weights on this gun or anything like that, and I don't want to hang nothing on it because it's supposed to be. It's not a free floating barrel, believe it or not, it's not. But I think I would make it a free floating barrel and put it in me I don't know, MDT type stock, metal. It don't necessarily have to be made by MDT. And I think this would be a pretty good little target gun right here. The barrel does get hot now because it's a regular old, profile barrel. So it does get hot. But I'm gonna tell you something. I'm proud that and happy I went back, made a second time on this scope because I see the errors of my way and I got to do better on mounting these things. That's my whole problem right now. It's just too high. I can't get my eye relief right. And if I hold my eye just right, I got to put, like I said, I got to take an old shirt of mine and ball it up to put on here. Now people's gonna say, yeah, well, you know, you just go ahead and get you one of these buttstock cheek risers to put on. No, I don't like that. I want it down. And I still might get a cheek riser going here, but I still want this scope down because to me they're better when they're down and they're more precise when it's closer to, you know, leave a smaller gap in here. You got to leave a gap, of course, but lower, the better to me. But anyway, I just want to jump on here right quick. I'm not going to go down there and show you the groups because, man, I've done so much shooting and had to go back and put up new target stickers over the old ones because some of them just look ragged and sorry as the devil. But time will come where you'll see it again when I get the right rings on here for this thing. And we'll do it again. And I'm going to go ahead and make my notes on my phone that these two are the best and the other ones can hop, skip, and jump on out of here. Use them for another rifle. That Hornady has always been a favorite bullet of mine. I hate to say it, because a lot of people talk junk about Hornady. I love Hornady, but this time Hornady got thrown in the dirt by CCI. CCI is a great company. I might have to buy me some stock in that company. I'm old, I ain't gonna live to see it probably become of value, but I'll leave it to my son. Anyway, y'all take care. God bless you. And God see your way to make you do things right today and treat your fellow man right. And I hope to God and pray that each and every one of you have a better day. And God bless you. And God take care of you. All right, this is Blind Sniper. He's gonna say goodbye. So long until later on.